Hi, welcome to the studio. I'm Carolynn Geesaman, stylist for Country Sampler Home Magazine. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little pumpkin sit around with toy mirrors from the dollar store. The materials we'll need today are 3 mirrors, and they need to match. It doesn't matter what color you find. I found these black ones, but the really pretty scalloped edge is what I was looking for. These are toy mirrors from a dollar store. You'll also need a hot glue gun and a glue stick, some E6000 glue, some paint and dark wax, paint brushes, some scissors, some clips to hold them together tight, some ribbon, and embellishment of your choice. I've already painted my mirrors with 2 coats of the color plaster chalk paint, and I was sure to get into all the little nooks and crannies. And then I dry brushed on dark wax over them and allowed them to dry thoroughly. Now that my mirrors are completely dry, I'm going to assemble them together. I'm going to line up the holes, and I'm going to use E6000 along with hot glue. Now the hot glue will hold them temporarily, but it won't hold them completely. They'll fall apart if you don't add the E6000, so you do want to use it. So I'm going to line up my 2 mirrors, and then I'm going to take my glue and just put a little bit here, and I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue too, so I'll have that quick fix. Lining up my holes, and I want them spread out so I'll have a nice shape. I'm going to check it before I put on my 3rd mirror. And then I'm going to use my clips to hold these together. So I want them to dry really strong. So when we're done, it will look like this. Now that my mirrors are completely dry, I'm going to embellish them. I'm going to use some Spanish moss and some floral and some ribbon and this cute little sunflower button that I have in my supplies. To start, I'm just going to take a chunk of this Spanish moss, and I want it to go over the tops of my new pumpkins. I've cut apart some of my floral, and I already made a simple little bow, and I'm just going to stick it in here and see where I want it, and then once I know it's where I want it, I will hot glue it down. And I just want to set it in there. It doesn't have to be perfectly precise because I will be adding a bow. Add some of this bittersweet in here Don't you just love bittersweet in the fall? Now I'm going to add my bow. Hot glue on my button. I'm going to give everything just a little pull to make sure that I attached it all. Give that just a moment to set up. Quick and easy, right? And this project can be customized to your own color schemes and style.